When you're going around and cleaning out your water drains on your old diesel, don't forget about the gas door drain. I'm seeing more and more of this as these cars age, particularly if they've sat outside in the rain a lot. Look at this, I got standing water in here, and you might say, well, that's not too bad. The problem is that water will eventually leak up under the seal and get into the trunk. And if you happen to spill diesel fuel in here, the water will raise the diesel fuel up and you'll get diesel fumes in the trunk, which is really annoying. This drain is real easy to clean. Just get a plastic piece of tubing. This is an old vacuum line. Come right up in this corner, and look at that. You just run the tubing in and out, clean out the drain. Now what I'll do now is I'll just get a jug of water and pour some more water through here just to rinse that out. Don't forget about this drain right here.